Hey everybody, welcome back. I just got the new valve. Well, I've had the new valve. I went down to my buddies and got a 400EX valve seal. If you know which one to get now, you're welcome. And I got his little Motion Pro valve adjuster tool. I want to talk about my experience with RPQ out of Tennessee. That's where the valve seal was initially supposed to come from. Or I ordered it March 26th. It was shipped out March. The other end. May 26th, and it was shipped out. Yeah. Now in the ad, which I'll post right here, the screenshot, 2 to 4 day delivery. I'm like, sweet. Because this would have been done weeks ago. You guys have already seen all this. So 6 business days in, I believe, it might be just regular days, I sent a message, hey, I think this is lost in the mail. They send back 10 to 20 day shipping. It economy saves them $7. Excuse me? 10 to 20 days? If I wanted it by 2 Camel Express, I'd fucking walk there and got it myself. It'd been a lot quicker, guarantee it. So, yeah, not very happy. Would not recommend anything. I feel like it needs a spring adjustment because it just don't hit the RPMs I think that it should. I don't know. Maybe it's me. Okay. But that concludes the Monsta Torq mini bike montage build extravaganza. Subscribe. Thank you for watching if you made it. Just a little second